You know what happens when there's a video that starts lit only by street light out in the middle of the road. Must be going on a road trip. Roll montage. Been driving for hours now, and we've stopped off at a nice little spot. Not here. This isn't the spot we're gonna fly. This is the spot we're loading up all our gear. I'm gonna go for a bit of a hike into Beyond Wilder. We were gonna go flying. Has it though? So it's like a 40-minute walk. The weather's really touch and go. Really don't want to walk for 40 minutes and then find that it's freaking raining. It's one of those things, it could kind of go either way, but 40 minutes of walking to just stand there in the rain and go, oh, this would have been cool. We're just going to get down there and unpack, see where the boys are at, see how the track's going, decide what to do from there, and maybe go for a bit of a travel around Whanganui. We can go cruising and have a fly. So we'll see how we go. We got all day. We got all day. It's only 10 o'clock. So we'll just see how things go. At one point does a muffin become a cupcake? Because this had a lot of icing. Arrived somewhere. Look at this. We are here.
Hi.
Hey, Si.
It's me, man.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Come in.
Sup, yo?
Hey. What up?
Of course. How's it going?
Good.
Kia katoa. Not much. We're gonna do some rippies.
Whoa. And I was like,
Did you? Oh, you fail safed it. Yeah. Holy crap.
it was pretty funny.
This place is baller.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you too. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, this is actually sick.
Hi vlog.
Hi. Hi person. How is I moustache you. Do you plan to win anything this weekend?
No, I just want to get heaps of pizza.
Yeah? So, I moustache you what packs you're using.
What's that?
I moustache you what packs you're using. You're not supposed to walk away because I was zooming in slowly on you.
Find them.
I was zooming in. Quato potato. Look at this guy. This guy used to be like the king of acro in New Zealand, and now he's a fucking race pilot. What an absolute sellout.
It's karma, isn't it?
Hasn't quite got the skills though to be one of them racer pilot guys.
Skills to be
Look at that. On the floor. Is this going to be the weekend when all the acro guys carve up and win the race series?
Not with Michael here, it's not.
Oh, is he coming?
No one makes Michael ever.
No. I'd say that's pretty fixed. It hasn't hit the ground. And broke another one now.
it's got gravity, but I know it's just shock therapy. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna see, I don't want this ECT. They're all trying to convince me that it don't hurt, that it's good for me, but I don't wanna go through ECT. Well, I have to pat down and grit my teeth. I feel it ain't my destiny, and the doctors are terrifying. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna see, I don't want this ECT. They're all trying to convince me that it don't hurt, that it's good for me. Is it just my chemistry, or am I worse off than I think? Do I need them to fix me? Do I need their ECT?
Yo. Chested.
You know what?
Look at all this. Look at all this stuff. Look at all the goodies.
You are going on a run.
Oh, that didn't go so well. I didn't even intro you to here. Basically, we've all jumped in the cars and gone for a bit of a bit of a rip. There's some juicy sunset going on here, but yeah, oops, straight into a tree. It's actually, the camera's fine, and
Stevie, you good, mate?
the GoPro is fine. It's just the mounts. I have a spare one of these. I do not have spare ones of these.
Now listen, we out here fucking shit up.
We'll start.
Yeah.
Get me.
This lighting looks so good.
You can't see your face, it's perfect.
There's old mate Henny.
Look at these matching heads. Matching bays, like brothers. Everyone's on Baywatch.
We got Ethics Squad here. Yeah. They're like the Try Hard Steel and you guys are like Try Hard Steel and Noelle. Onigiri.
Snack. Try Hard Snack.
No, not
Try Hard
snack.
Trappy.
Yeah, yeah,
Wish
I
I was
guess.
trippy.
Anyway, we're gonna go back to do some indoor racing. I got one pack here because my GoPro went flat, and let's face it, what is the point of doing freestyle if you can't film it on the GoPro, right? Although I used to do freestyle on my race quads because I didn't have a freestyle quad. DVR has a certain aesthetic to it, like.
No, it doesn't. Shit, if you're gonna fucking, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it with a GoPro.
Yeah, you're right. So I've decided that instead of trying to get my freestyle competition for James's video here, I'm just gonna try and screen record the simulator and fly in that. And I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. Like, no one said I can't do it.
Check it out, bit of night rippage. It's quite a lovely looking little track.